Hello! Welcome, Activated fans. We are in Wilmington, North Carolina, and we want to share a story with you guys today.
This is the picture book, I Am a Bird, by Dana Walrath, illustrated by Jamie Kim.
And this is a walking story, so we're going to walk around the park here and read the story and share it with you. You guys ready?
I'm ready.
All right. This is the first page.
I am a bird, I fly.
Spread your wings wide like a bird and fly to the next page.
I'm a fly, I land.
You are now a fly. Make small wings with your fingers and buzz until you land on the next page.
I am land, I stretch to the sea.
Stretch your arms to the sky. Stretch your arms to the ground. Oh. Now stretch your legs to the sea on the next page. Wait, I was supposed to sit on this.
I don't think so. I am the sea, I crest.
Rise up and down like the crest of a wave and surge toward the next sign.
I'm a crest, I warn. I'm a worn old shoe in the sand. I am sand, I stick.
Find an imaginary stick and draw pictures in the air as you walk. Got my stick. Oh, I forgot to pick my stick up. Okay, that's even a better stick.
I'm a stick, I float. I'm afloat on a fisherman's line.
Slowly spin to the next page as if you were floating on the sea. I got tossed around in the waves.
I'm a line, I tug. I'm a tug, I tow.
So pretend you are a tugboat. Hold an imaginary rope and pull the big, heavy boat behind you. Maybe we should team up. Might be easier. We'll get the same rope.
Okay.
All right, ready? Here we go. There we go. Ah.
My toes get tickled by kelp. I am kelp. I branch.
Move to the next page like your feet are being tickled by kelp.
I'm a branch. I snap.
I was skipping the kelp off my feet.
Oh, okay.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm a branch. I snap.
Collect pretend firewood as you walk to the next page. Your load gets heavier with each step.
I'm the snap of a crab's sharp claw. I'm a claw. I burrow.
Make your two arms into a crab's claw and snap your way to the next page.
I'm a burrow. I warm. I warm my hands in my wings.
Wrap your wings around your body and feel the warmth until the next page.
Flat fly, float high, snap, tickle, sway.
Choose one or more of the actions on the page and play with it as you move. So flap, fly, floating, high, snap, tickle, or sway. Whatever you want.
I am a bird. I glide into arms open wide.
Glide with your arms open wide to the next page.
I'm the hands that hold and the eyes that shine.
What can you hold in your hands? Air? A hand? A book?
When it's you and it's me and the sea.
To check out your own copy of I Am a Bird or other books set near the ocean or the sea, visit your library. And to spend more times outdoors like this family does and like we do, you can discover parks like this one. And if you live in North Carolina, you can go to nhcgov.com or go outside and explore your backyard. Thanks, guys.